Hello, my name is Griffin Hamill, and I'll be walking you through logging into MyDigitalOffice for the first time. The very first thing you'll need to do is download an extension called Authenticator from the Google Extension Store. A link to this extension will be in the description below. To install the extension, click Add to Chrome. The extension may open a new window, but you can safely close that. Once the extension is installed, you can navigate to go.to.mdodocs.com. Once you've arrived at the login page, your email address is always your work email, and your password should have been sent to you in a Welcome to MDO Docs email. This email will have the URL for the MDO Docs site, your username, as well as a temporary password to use on the site. If you did not get this email, please email us at support@mdodocs.com. That email address will be in the description of this video as well. Now type in your username, which is your work email address, as well as the temporary password that was sent to you in the email in the password box. Once done, hit sign in. Please remember, the password that you're typing in here is only temporary, so do not save it in the browser just yet. Your browser may prompt you to save it, but just leave that box open until we change the password to something permanent that you'll remember. Begin typing a new password in the new password box. Rules will appear below it to what the requirements are of the system. Once you have the same password in both boxes, you can enter it in the Save Password box to the right in your browser. Once done, hit Save. From here, hit Send on the Change Password box to continue into MDO Doc. We'll now be pinning the Authenticator extension that we downloaded earlier to the Chrome taskbar. Click on the puzzle piece to show what extensions you have installed, and then go to the thumbtack next to the Authenticator app to add it to the taskbar. Click on the new icon in your Chrome toolbar. It'll look like a QR code. Click on the icon that looks like two brackets in the extension window. From here, your mouse will turn into a crosshair, which will drag around the QR code that's on the middle of the screen. A dialog box will show up in the Chrome, confirming that you've added the QR code, aka the Authenticator, to your extension. If you go back to the extension, you'll now see a 6-digit code that expires every 60 seconds. Click on the 6-digit number once. That box will only show up once when using the extension for the first time. Click on the extension again, and now click on the number. Make sure it hasn't expired first before pasting it into the first box. To finish, hit sign in. Your account is now completely set up. To test this, you can log out again, and then log back into the system. After logging in with your username and password, you can now use a code from the extension in the Authenticator box. Once done, you'll be brought back into the system. This completes the video on setting up your account for the first time. If you have any questions, please email us at support@mdodocs.com. Thank you.